Hi, it's Rhoda. I'm here in the Made-In kitchen, and I'm so excited to introduce our updated griddle system with a few new features to take your outdoor cooking to the next level this summer. Last year, we launched one of our most popular products ever, the carbon steel griddle, which can be used on your stovetop, grill, or even in the oven. But we found that our customers were using it in more creative ways, like stacked on top of bricks in their hearths or fire pits, or even over rocks in their campfires. So we went back to the drawing board to develop a few key tools to help you get even more out of this incredibly versatile product. First, we have the Griddle Stands, forged from stainless steel to create strong, durable, yet lightweight legs that are easy to take on the go and help you create a cooking surface over virtually any heat source. We designed the stands with 2 notches so you can customize your cooking temperature based on the ingredients or the type of fire. The lower level is best for cooking over a bed of coals, while the higher level is really ideal for cooking over an actual flame. With these stands, you can create an adaptable outdoor cooking rig anywhere you want it. In addition to the griddle stands, we've also added highly requested griddle lids to the system. These lids are perfect for thick steaks, bone-in chicken, corn on the cob, and they can withstand the heat of an open flame. With the lids, you can trap the heat and the smoke to create amazing flavor. So whether you're melting cheese over burgers, cooking vegetables, or even pizza, the Griddle System has got you covered. Check out the full Griddle System on madeincookware.com. I can't wait to see what you cook with it.